Welcome to How to Play Wasp Solitaire. To play, you will need a 52 card deck. The cards are set up in a layout of 7 cards in 7 columns. The first 3 rows have 4 face-down cards, followed by 3 face-up cards. The final 4 rows have all cards face up. The remaining 3 cards are placed face down as a reserve pile. The objective of the game is to get all the cards removed from the layout. The cards can be removed from the layout when they are formed into a sequence of king down to ace. The suits of the cards do not matter. Cards in the layout can move to another card that is 1 rank lower. For example, a jack can be played onto a queen. Any face-up card can be moved. The cards on top of a card being moved will go with the card as a unit. For example, the 6 is played on the 7, with every card on the 6 moving as a unit. When a face-down card is the top card of a pile, it is flipped face up. The player will continue to make moves within the layout with the goal of getting a sequence of king down to ace. Skipping ahead, if a column becomes empty, it can be filled with any card or stack of cards. Skipping ahead again, once a completed sequence is made from king down to ace, it is removed from the layout. Skipping ahead once again, at any time the player may use the reserve pile by flipping 1 card face up to each of the first 3 columns. If all the cards can be removed from the layout, the game is won. If you get stuck with no more moves to make, the game is lost. To increase the difficulty, play where only the same color suits can be built on each other. To increase the difficulty again, play where only the same suit can be built on each other. If you enjoyed learning how to play Wasp Solitaire and you are curious about other games, our channel is your go-to spot for fun, easy-to-follow tutorials. Check out the collection of videos to find your next favorite game.